friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the Kissan Mixed Fruit Jam. So guys, this is the mixed fruit jam from Kissan, which is a popular brand in India for jams. And today we are going to review the mixed fruit jam from Kissan. So guys, starting off with the packaging, it comes in this nice plastic cardboard tub here, plasticky tub here that we have. Right on top you can see the Kissan branding right here in the face of it. It says since 1934 and it's a mixed fruit jam, and then the illustration of the fruits have been shown here. It contains vitamins A, B6, B7 and mineral zinc in it. Per serve of 15 grams provides for 43 kcal of energy. Right? It's a pure vegetarian product, so a vegetarian symbol is shown here. The net weight is 100 grams of this pack. And let's look at the ingredients here. The ingredients are sugar, mixed fruit pulp blend. So it contains 46% of mixed fruit pulp. That is, what are the fruits? Papaya pulp, pear pulp, banana pulp, apple pulp, pineapple juice, orange juice, mango pulp and grape juice are part of it. Then there are acidity regulators, thickeners, vitamins and minerals, zinc sulfate, retinol palmitate, biotin, pyridoxine, hydrochloride, preservatives 202. It contains permitted synthetic food color and added flavors, artificial raspberry, pineapple and strawberry flavoring substances. So that is all the information available right here. Now coming to the price of the product, the price is ₹20. So now the Kissan Mixed Fruit Jam is available for ₹20 for ₹400 grams. So right on top on the lid also you can see the Kissan branding right here. There are the Kissan branding on it and the MRP is written on that. So let's go ahead and quickly open the pack. So here we have opened the pack. So you can see it is completely sealed here. So we'll just open it up. Pair of scissors. And here's the jam. It looks like completely like jelly right now. So this is, and it has a sweet jammy taste, the mixed fruit jammy taste to it. Aroma to it, not a taste, aroma to it. So let's quickly go ahead and do a taste test of the jam. We'll just take a little bit because I'm not a big fan of jam, so I'm just going to take a little bit and let you all know how does it taste. Nice and sweet, fruity flavor. So yeah, it tastes nice. It is a nice thing to apply on the bread, on toast and have. So you can enjoy jam toast with this. So guys, if you all are looking to buy the Kissan jam online, mixed fruit jam online, it's available on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing product videos.